Aston Martin Volante Vision concept. When it comes to personal air mobility, the Aston Martin Volante Vision concept is at the forefront of innovation. The ability of this concept plane to do vertical takeoffs and landings, VTOL, is evidence of Aston Martin's inventiveness and skill as a designer. The Volante Vision concept was developed in tandem with Cranfield Aerospace Solutions, Cranfield University, and Rolls-Royce to provide urban and intercity commuters with quick, efficient, and traffic-free transportation. The Volante Vision concept is a product of a strong collaboration between prominent figures in the aerospace, propulsion, and design industries, guaranteeing that it will lead the way in transportation innovation. Despite the lack of an official price tag, 2018 sources pegged the potential cost of an Aston Martin aircraft at over £7 million, $9.2 million, which would be commensurate with its premium status and advanced amenities. Zapata Air Scooter. In a world where personal mobility is constantly being redefined, the Zapata Air Scooter stands out as a groundbreaking personal flying machine. This VTOL aircraft's innovative propulsion technology allows it to fly for more than 2 hours on a single charge, making it a true hybrid. A small wonder, the Air Scooter is 340 by 340 by 256 centimeters in size, and it complies with the Federal Aviation Authority Part 103 regulations in the United States, which permits its operation as an ultralight aircraft, even in the absence of a pilot's license. While we don't yet have the exact pricing information, we can say that the Air Scooter is a high-quality addition to the personal aviation industry thanks to its innovative design and impressive set of functions. With a maximum payload capacity of 120 kilograms and a top speed of 100 kilometers per hour, it is clearly a performance marvel. Its cruise speed is 80 kilometers per hour. Cylo Rotors. A cutting-edge air vehicle from Cylo Rotor is a prime example of the benefits of their technology. This technology allows for compact design that is optimized for passenger use and allows 360-degree thrust vectoring. A game-changer in personal air mobility, Cyclotech's Cruise Up is set to transform the transportation industry in the next decades. The goal of designing Cruise Up was to create a sustainable alternative to traditional ground transportation by prioritizing user comfort, ease of use, and safety. A high level of redundancy is provided by the vehicle's 6-cyclo rotor arrangement, which guarantees safe flying and landing in the event that a rotor fails. The vehicle can precisely veer to the side, reverse direction, and brake in mid-air thanks to its unique rotor configuration. Cruise Up is the result of Cyclotech's dedication to innovation. The development process included 500 flights of the technology demonstrator and thorough testing in wind tunnels. Concept Ebike 1865. One of a kind, the Concept Ebike 1865 combines vintage design with cutting-edge engineering. Not only is it a bicycle, but BASF built it as a design study to demonstrate the possibilities of contemporary polymers. In 1865, the first pedals were attached to the wooden dandy horse, marking the beginning of the bicycle's road to become a worldwide phenomenon. This e-bike is a tribute to that invention. With the exception of the motor, axles, and brakes, the Concept 1865 is constructed almost entirely of plastic. Included in this catalog are 24 cutting-edge materials, such as specialty foams and high-performance polymers from BASF's product line. These materials showcase the adaptability and durability of modern plastics, while also paying homage to the company's 1865 founding. Featuring an electric drive, bearingless all-plastic pedals, and lightweight, puncture-proof tires, this e-velocipede is a fully functional prototype. Kuberg Ranger. Kuberg Ranger is an electric motorbike that combines elements of scooters and dirt bikes. Its versatile design accommodates riders of all ages, providing a one-of-a-kind experience thanks to its standing posture and fully reclined seat. With its innovative motor technology, fireproof housing for the removable battery, and controller that converts battery power into tremendous riding power in an instant, the Ranger is an impressive motorcycle. Because of its small weight and extraordinarily low decibel level, you may ride it almost any place without disturbing the serenity. As a workhorse, the Ranger is well suited for both leisure and labor. A 30 kilograms maximum weight capacity means it can manage heavy lifting and commuting, making it versatile. Starting at $6,150, the bike may be yours for $8,449, with the added luxury of several packages and extras. Nonetheless, you can find it for $5,508 at some stores. Rioko Trikes. Rioko Trikes are well known for their thrilling performance, cutting-edge design, and high-quality construction. Different riders will find something that suits their taste among the several models offered by this manufacturer. An example of this is the PUR3 GT, which has been in the works for 30 years with the goal of making the best possible Rioko tricycle. If you're looking for a shoe that combines comfort with performance, this is it. Conversely, the PUR3 Explorer is a tricycle with a focus on adventure and exploration rather than frills. By fusing sporty handling with stylish design, the RF1 GT model exemplifies the trike idea. A wide range of accessories is available for personalization. With its spacious interior and 2 or 3 seat configuration, the RF1 ST series is perfect for long trips because to its generous storage capacity. It is available with 110 horsepower, 140 horsepower, or 177 horsepower. Quigle Folding Bike. Because of its exceptional blend of portability, lightweight design, and long-lasting construction, the Quigle Folding Bike is a cut above the competition in the urban mobility market. The Quigle is a radical new take on the traditional bicycle, created and assembled in Germany. It is the world's smallest folding bike, with a folding capacity of just 55 liters. Being able to slide beneath train and bus seats means it won't take up much room in the trunk and won't block aisles. The lightweight design of the Quigle allows it to be easily transported, weighing in at 9 to 10 kilograms. The use of high-strength aluminum and stainless steel in its construction guarantees its durability and reliability. A technical wonder, the bike's folding mechanism makes switching from riding to carrying a breeze. The Quigle is available in a range of variants, with the entry-level model costing €1,440. Zapata Jet Racer. An awe-inspiring example of human creativity and the will to break new ground, the Zapata Jet Racer is a state-of-the-art engineering wonder. This Vulcan, which Frankie Zapata conceptualized, represents more than just a mode of transportation. It is a window into the future of individual mobility. Built with speed and accuracy, the Jet Racer is an unstoppable force in any weather thanks to its 10 jet engines. Incredible in its innovative fly-by-wire controls, which guarantee maximum safety with nothing in the way of instruction. With its state-of-the-art modular carbon chassis, the Jet Racer may fly manned or unmanned, meeting a broad range of applications in both civilian and military sectors. Its small size of 2.2 by 2.0 meters demonstrates how efficient architecture might be, guaranteeing that future flying will not necessitate the expansive areas that were previously believed to be essential. Wazuma V8M. And technical marvel, the limited edition Wazuma V8M motorbike pushes the envelope in terms of both style and performance. This vehicle is more than simply a means of transportation. It is a powerful and artistic statement created by Lazarus. With a production run of just 10 units, it exudes an air of exclusivity and excitement. The 4.7-liter V8 engine that powers the Wazuma V8M produces an incredible 460 horsepower and 520 Newton of torque. The Wazuma V8M is taken to unprecedented levels of motorcycling perfection by means of an engine that is more than simply powerful. It is a musical composition of mechanics. A handful will hear the siren song of the engine and respond with a desire to hit the wide road and experience independence. The Wazuma V8M's body exemplifies Lazarus's dedication to perfection. The combination of carbon fiber, leather, and Alcantara creates a motorcycle that is both aesthetically beautiful and extremely exciting to ride. Honda Extended Reality Mobility. At SXSW 2024, Honda debuted their innovative extended reality mobility, which combines personal mobility with virtual reality. The breakthrough revolves around the Honda Uni One, a hands-free gadget that lets people move around by adjusting their center of gravity. Developed for use in retail and entertainment venues, this immersive experience seeks to transform the way we engage with our physical environments. Thanks to its sophisticated sensors and self-balancing technology, the Uni One can move naturally in any direction. Its adjustable seat allows for interactions at eye level, which improves communication. Its multi-directional travel is guaranteed by the Honda Omni Traction Drive system. For Honda, this is the realization of their dream of bringing mobility bliss to previously uncharted territories. For only $240, you may get your hands on the Uni One, a personal transportation and entertainment system of the future. Aroso Etrace Eurobike. An innovative electric snow bike, the Aroso Etrace combines the exhilaration of sledding with the efficiency of e-mountain bikes. It is available to everyone because it is entertaining, safe, and easy to use. Moreover, it does not require any basic training. It has a 48-volt 946 watt-hour detachable battery and a robust Sachs RS 250-watt motor, so it can assist up to 25 kilometers per hour and boast an amazing 45 kilometers of autonomy. The E-Trace guarantees low maintenance and maximum enjoyment with its sturdy materials designed for cold situations. The high-performance rubber track was made by Camzo, and the bike has Magura MT5 e-stop brakes and an Enviolo constantly variable transmission. Supernova lighting and an ergonomic composite seat make for a more pleasant and visible ride. Before taxes and shipping, you may pre-order the E-Trace for €7,990. An exciting and one-of-a-kind snow adventure awaits you with this revolutionary machine. Zea Zero. Zea Aero of Tacoma, Washington, created a revolutionary eVTOL plane called the Zea Zero. This personal transportation vehicle, which is formed like a disc, offers a future where travel is easy, efficient, and environmentally friendly. The Zero is designed for optimal point-to-point travel, capable of cruising at speeds of up to 160 miles per hour and having a range of 50 miles. It can fit into a regular car parking spot because to its tiny airframe, which is perfect for a single pilot. The design incorporates a whole vehicle parachute for safety and 8 electric motors that generate no emissions to power the vehicle. We anticipate that the Zea Zero will begin selling for around $250,000 when it hits the market. By 2025, Zea Aero plans to have sold 500 vehicles for use in passenger transportation, military activities, and other markets. At this time, interested customers can put down $5,000 to secure their purchase from the company. Engler Superquad. An engineering marvel. The Engler Superquad was the first vehicle of its type in the world. The explosive performance of a hypercar and the nimble handling of a superbike come together in this one-of-a-kind quad bike design. The 5.2-liter V10 engine that powers this monster produces an incredible 1,100 horsepower. A statement of opulence and exclusivity, the Superquad is more than simply a vehicle of raw speed. This vehicle prioritizes the rider's needs above all else, offering an unmatched driving experience without sacrificing performance or dynamics. Following in the footsteps of the famed racehorse Secretariat, whose soul and heart represent the Superquad, this vehicle serves as more than simply a means of transportation. It is a monument to the dogged pursuit of excellence. Victor Engler has finally made his 30-year ambition a reality with a car that changes the way people think about driving. StratLaunch Rock. For air launch to orbit missions, there is the enormous StratLaunch Rock, sometimes called the Scaled Composites Model 351. Its 385-foot wingspan and 1.3 million pound maximum takeoff weight make it larger than the Hughes H4 Hercules. The high wing configuration and dual fuselage design of Rock, built by Scaled Composites and managed by StratLaunch Systems, allow for safer launches from its centerline, Being able to transport payloads over 500,000 pounds makes it more than simply the largest operational aircraft in the world. It is also an impressive example of human engineering. The emphasis has shifted to high-speed flight test services since Rock was repurposed for hypersonic flight testing after its maiden flight on April 13, 2019. Rock has proven itself to be a dependable and potentially groundbreaking platform for aeronautical solutions with 13 completed flights as of February 2024.